Here are 10 healthy recipes you can make using just one avocado, each using only a portion of it, perfect for getting variety without waste. 1. Avocado toast, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, 1/4 avocado to 1/4 avocado, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Instructions: mash avocado on toasted bread, season, and top with chili flakes or a poached egg. 2. Avocado smoothie, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado to 1/2 banana, half a cup spinach, 1 cup almond milk. Instructions: blend until smooth for a creamy, nutrient-rich drink. 3. Avocado salad dressing, 2 tablespoons avocado. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper. Instructions: whisk together for a creamy, dairy-free salad dressing. 4. Avocado and tomato salad, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado, cubed, cherry tomatoes, basil, a balsamic vinegar. Instructions: toss ingredients and serve fresh. 5. Avocado egg salad, 2 tablespoons avocado. Ingredients: 1 boiled egg, chopped, 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, mustard, salt, pepper. Instructions: mix and spread on toast or lettuce. 6. Avocado sushi rolls, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado, sliced sushi rice, and nori sheets, cucumber or carrot. Instructions: roll with rice and veggies for a simple homemade sushi. 7. Avocado hummus, 2 tablespoons avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 cup hummus, 2 tablespoons avocado, lime juice. Instructions: blend together for a green, creamy dip. 8. Avocado deviled eggs, 2 tablespoons avocado. Ingredients: 2 boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, mustard, paprika. Instructions: mix yolks with avocado and pipe into egg whites. 9. Avocado chocolate pudding, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado to 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions: blend until smooth for a guilt-free dessert. 10. Avocado tacos, 1/4 avocado. Ingredients: 1/4 avocado, sliced corn tortilla, black beans, salsa. Instructions: assemble taco with ingredients and enjoy.